Good morning, market movers. It's Friday morning, and today is a beautiful day to talk stocks, tech, and all things finance. Welcome to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down the whirlwind of activity that shook the stock market yesterday. So, let's dive right in. Yesterday was nothing short of a blockbuster day for the markets, with a global rally that felt like the financial world had just downed a double espresso. The tech-heavy Nasdaq soared, jumping more than 3% thanks to some stunning earnings from the AI powerhouse Nvidia. Meanwhile, the Standard & Poor's 500 wasn't far behind, leaping about 2.2%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average popped almost 1.4%, climbing over 500 points. Both the Standard & Poor's 500 and Dow Jones even hit new intraday record highs. The Nasdaq Composite, not to be confused with the Nasdaq 100, was having its best day in over a year, teasing a record high for the first time since November 2021. Now, what's behind this surge? Well, Nvidia didn't just meet expectations, it smashed them, reigniting the AI frenzy that's been pushing US stock gauges to dizzying heights. The company's CEO dropped a bombshell, declaring generative AI has hit the tipping point after a jaw-dropping 265% rise in revenue and some very cheery guidance. This news sent Nvidia shares up about 15%, hitting a record high and sending a clear message. Demand for AI hardware is through the roof. But it wasn't just a US party. This bullish mood went global. Over in Japan, the Nikkei 225 index broke a record that had stood since 1989, thanks to gains in chip stocks. And in Europe, the tech sector propelled the Stoxx 600 to a fresh all-time intraday high. Amid all this excitement, the Federal Reserve's latest minutes seemed like a distant thought. Most officials are preaching caution, signaling a slow and steady approach to any potential rate cuts, wary of moving too quickly. But for now, the market's focus was squarely on Nvidia and the broader tech sector's eye-popping performance. So, what does all this mean for you, the savvy investor or the curious market watcher? It's a clear sign that tech, especially AI, continues to be a major force driving market trends. As we keep an eye on the Fed's next moves, the current mood is unmistakably optimistic. That wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. I hope you're feeling as charged up by these market movements as I am. I'll catch you all on Monday with a brand new episode. Take care, everyone, and have a great weekend.